Adding layers to your Convertri pages means you can create multiple screens on your site like pop-ups or product overviews. Think of them as overlays, which you can show or hide on your page by configuring actions. To add a layer, click on the Layers button in the top toolbar to open the Layers panel. Then click New Layer. Enter a name for your layer and click OK. When a layer has been successfully added to the page, a red check mark will appear on the Layers button in the top toolbar. The Layers panel is where you'll be able to configure options for each of your individual layers. Click the Deselect or Select checkbox to select or deselect the layer. When the layer is selected, it becomes active and you can edit its contents. Your main page will still show through below, but you'll be unable to edit it until you deselect the layer. Start Visible or Hidden chooses if a layer is visible or hidden on page load. If it's hidden and you want to make it appear later, you can do so by applying an action to this layer. Visible on mobile will decide if the layer will display on mobile devices or only on desktop. Toggle Align to stick a layer to the top or bottom of the screen. In general, use relative to the bottom for things like sticky footers that you want permanently attached to the bottom of your viewer's screen, and top for everything else. Note that layers relative to bottom of the screen cannot be scrollable. Scrollable and unscrollable makes the layer able to be scrolled or fixed. This is especially important on mobile pages where the layer may be taller than the screen. Background lets you choose a background color for your layer. Click Drag to reorder to move this handle if you have multiple layers and want to change which ones display on top. And you can click the 3-button menu for more options. Rename gives your layer a different name. Clone creates a duplicate of this layer. And Delete deletes your layer. Layers can contain the same elements as your main page. For example, you can create a pop-up containing a countdown timer for added urgency. Or you can add an opt-in to your email newsletter with a form. The possibilities are endless. And by adding actions to your page, you can configure your layers to show or hide when triggered by user behavior or after an elapsed time. Find out how by browsing the knowledge base.